Do you feel like your sex life is fine because you have it, your partner hardly rejects you, and therefore it's great sex? You have a great sex life. Let's talk about this. Hey guys, I'm Stephanie Ganowski, sexologist and sex coach for men. I've been working with men specifically for 6+ years now, helping them with their dick-related issues and also their sex communication issues with their female partner. So today, I want to talk to you a little bit about imagining what is your ideal sex life. Do you know what it would look like if you had the exact type of sex life you wanted and if it felt mutually fulfilling between you and your partner? Now, I'm not saying not to be happy with what you have or not be grateful for it or appreciate it, but it's often the mindset that men have where they're like, oh, well, if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? I'm having sex, therefore it's great. But you've never actually talked to your partner and asked her, do you think it's great? Or do we think we really have a great sex life? And if it could be better, what would that look like? If we could improve it, what else would be going on? What else would we do? What would we try? And actually have these conversations. You build this new connection with each other. You build more trust with one another. It really does strengthen the relationship. So when you have this feeling, oh, we're not having any issues, let me not rock the boat and talk about it. That's the total opposite of what you do. When you're feeling good about your sex life because you're having it and you feel good, the best time is to then talk about it and be like, hey, what do you think about our sex life? I think it's pretty good. What do you think? And then you can take it further into talking about what do we want to try next? How should we try to do it differently? And that's when it gets really fun because you start creating new ways of having sex. You don't always have to chase that dopamine rush, right? Like that's not what this is about, but novelty is important because bedroom boredom is a thing. When you're monogamous with a partner, especially for a very long time, you can fall into bedroom boredom pretty easily. And then if you're not creating any sense of novelty and you haven't built consistency and comfort and communication around that, it can be difficult to try new things. And it's better to just have these conversations when sex is good because they're more likely to go well and you're more likely to be able to brainstorm and share ideas and actually implement those ideas. So I hope this video encouraged you to have that conversation, especially if sex is good, because that's when the conversations are best and most exciting to have. See you in the next video.